Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Stevie, the smile behind StevieMStarks, and today I'm going to be going through a tutorial of what my makeup looks like when I do my content creation. It's a super simple makeup look, so I just figured I should film it so you guys can see the products that I use, how I apply the products, and see how simple my makeup look is for when I create content. But before we get into this video, if you're new, please take the time to subscribe and welcome to the family. And if you're not new, welcome back. Okay, let's get into this video. I love to start off by prepping my lips with this lip butter by Bite Beauty. And this keeps my lips moisturized until I want to apply my lipstick. This is one of my favorite makeup primers right now, and it's by Tinted Cosmetics. It's their perfect prime primer, and y'all, if you have oily skin like I do, then you need this primer. I apply this primer all over my face, but I make sure to apply it in the areas where I know I get the most oily. Okay, y'all know I love eyebrows. So first I go in with my Precisely My Brow pencil and I really outline my eyebrows in the shape that I want it to first. And that's what you see me doing here. The key to having natural looking eyebrows is that I don't fill in the front of my eyebrow. I really just make like light strokes in the front of my eyebrow and then I fill in the back part of my eyebrow. That's what you see here. Now I'm about to go in with my spoolie and just brush the eyebrow pencil in with my brow hairs. That also allows my eyebrows to look natural. Now I'm going in with the brow pen by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this pen allows me to make hair-like strokes. So I use it in the parts of my brow where I want to create more hair, and so that's what you see me doing in the front of my brow. If I find that I made too many strokes, I go in with my spoolie and I just blend in that liquid with my hair, and this allows me to make a more natural finish to my eyebrows. So this really is the last step of my brow routine, and this is the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics. This brow setter really just, like the name says, sets my brows in place so the hairs do not move. I just started incorporating this into my routine and I love it. This is my favorite concealer brush to use for cleaning up my eyebrows, and it is the paintbrush by the Crayon Case. Now, this part of my routine really allows the illusion that I just got my eyebrows waxed, even though I don't get my eyebrows waxed. But concealer allows for it to have like a clean look, like there's no hairs or anything out of place. So that's what you see me doing right now. Then I take whatever is left from the concealer brush and I put it on my eyelids, and this helps to lighten up my dark lids. I mean, look at this difference, y'all. Beautiful. This tinted sunscreen is my absolute favorite, y'all. Not only does it match my skin tone perfectly, but it has SPF in it. I mean, where can you go wrong? This is for all my people who do wear sunscreen. Please do not replace your sunscreen step in your skincare routine with a foundation with sunscreen. it doesn't make up for it, y'all. Just putting it out there. But if you want a full coverage look, I suggest applying this with a brush. If not, apply it with a makeup sponge. I love using this concealer by the lip bar because it really awakens my under eyes. Y'all, this mama is exhausted maybe 95% of the time. So I love that this concealer really brightens up my eyes. I let it sit on for maybe a minute or two, and that's what you see right here. Then I take my makeup sponge and I just blend it out from the inner corners of my eyes up to the end of my eyebrow. This gives it a really snatched look. So now I'm taking loose setting powder and I'm applying it in the areas where I applied my concealer. And this is just to set the concealer. I'm also putting it in the areas that I want to highlight my face. And that includes around my nose, under my nose, and in the middle of my forehead. This also allows for the loose setting powder to soak up any excess oil. Then I'm taking whatever's left on my makeup sponge and I'm setting my eyes with the loose setting powder. This is going to take the place of eyeshadow. So I decided to use a bronzer instead of contour because when I'm doing a natural makeup look, I just found that bronzers make it look more natural. And so that's why I decided to do with this look right here. As you can see, I am patting the bronzer into my face and it is coming out just the way I want it. Now I'm curling my eyelashes to get ready for mascara. Y'all, if I don't curl my eyelashes before mascara, you will not see my lashes. So this step is pretty crucial. I love this mascara for achieving length, and I love doing this little hack for achieving length too. I think I found it off social media somewhere, but if you swipe the mascara across your eyelashes and then brush up, for some reason it appears even longer than if you just brushed upwards. I don't know the science behind it, but y'all, try it and then let me know if it works for you, because it definitely works for me. Look at that, y'all. Just look at it. Again, this is the swiping motion that I'm talking about to do with your mascara before you brush upwards. It's time for lips, and y'all know I love a good nude lip. This is one of my new favorite chocolate liners, and it's by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Malt. And here I'm just outlining my lips with the chocolate liner first, and then I'll go in with the lipstick. Now, while I apply this lipstick, I'm doing this motion with my lips to blend in the lipstick with the liner. It looks kind of weird, but this is what I do instead of using a brush to blend it. Then if I find I want to add a little bit more definition to my lips, I go back in with that chocolate liner. This is the final look. It is absolutely stunning. I love this look so much. You can wear it to work or school, whatever you please. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'm so glad that I finally got to record myself doing this makeup look. Let me know below in the comment section what you think about this clean, simple makeup look that I do to create my content. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, love you. Bye.